how to use structured daily planner app. This app getting more and more traction, and this is like a visual calendar and to-do list app. You can ask, well, there are like hundreds of to-do list apps. They're all super boring. There are hundreds, thousands, of calendar apps, and all of that. Why this app is getting traction? Yeah, it's just because it's shows off your events and your calendar in a more visual and easier to see, just easier to digest way. So like if you looking into your calendar and sometimes you're just freaking out, try out this app. It can really help you to structure and organize your workday and all of that. So as I understand, the main feature of this app is just basically this design tweak. So here you have your calendars. You can see any day. You can just jump to any day, and then you just see how it looks like. So instead of standard Google Calendar view, this app is just looks a bit more friendly and more natural. So here you just have all your tasks. You can just add task. Okay, answer emails. And then you can just tap continue, and then you just add time, for example, 1 hour, how long, which color. You can change color how often, once, need alerts. You can allow notifications if you want. Start of the task, end of the task, any details, and then you can just add the subtask, and then you just have it here like that. Then when you complete it, you just cross it off like that. And this design is just quite nice. You have these big paddings, big spaces between lines, and so it's pretty cool. You can copy task, and it just looks a bit more friendly, so you are not freaking out if you have a lot of tasks. And just go shopping, 6 p.m. And then create task. And then you can just basically easily scroll it like that. And then on the left side, obviously you see hours. And then you just here in the top, you scroll horizontally. Then there is this like structured assistant, which is also quite interesting tool. A lot of apps are trying to integrate ChatGPT features right now. But this is actually quite smart idea. So these features all leverages OpenAI ChatGPT, which means that anything you enter here will be sent to our OpenAI server, where it is stored for up to 30 days. We won't sell the data, but might use to improve this feature. So what you need to do, you can just write or talk to it even like, hey, tomorrow I will start my day at 7 a.m. Usually takes me around 20 minutes to do morning routine. After I'll have a tea and leave for school. The commute should take about 30 minutes. My first class starts at 9, which is math. Then lunchtime 12:30. I have some study from 1:30 to 4 p.m. And then assistant will just basically create all these tasks for you. And then you will have a schedule like that. And then you just very easily, you just go and complete this task, and it brings you some satisfaction as you completed the task. Then again, if you upgrade to the Pro version, which is quite cheap to be honest, so this app is quite powerful and is also quite cheap. So it's just only $3 per month. You have reminders inbox as well included. Then there are some additional settings. Of course, you can sync your calendars. If you want to sync your calendars, you need again to upgrade to Pro, unfortunately. And then you can just follow them. You can see analytics. That's not, you can't see that, you just share it. But there you have it. Is there structured for Mac? And then, so seems there is structured Mac app, and then you can just install it. You can also try that. So that's basically the idea. Give a try to this app.